Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yusuf Khairuddin, study program Al-Quran and Tafsir, NIM 201111065, Fakulti Usluhuddin and Taqwa. Ramadan story. Ramadan generally means the 9th month of the Islamic Hijri calendar. The calendar consists of Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awal, Rabiul Akhir, Jumadil Awal, Jumadil Akhir, Rajab, Sa'ban, Ramadan, Syawal, Zulqaidah, and Zulhijjah. This Islamic calendar calculation continues and changes every year. At Ramadan is the holy month when Muslims fast and to do the tawab, good deeds given by Allah. In the month of Ramadan, it is obligatory for believers to fast, to endure hunger and thirst from sunrise to sunset. In this month, Muslims compete to do good deeds because Ramadan is a month full of blessing. This meaning is often associated with the fall of Ramadan during the hot summer. That's why Muslims liken the scorching heat to erase signs so far. It is not only the meaning that is full of meaning, but during this holy month there are many important and special events in the history of Islam. The other privileges and virtues of Ramadan are as follows. 1. Ramadan is the only month named in the Quran. One of them is in Quran Surat Al-Baqarah. 2. In this month there is a night better than 100 months. This explained in the Surah Al-Qadr verse 3, which means the night of glory is better than 1,000 months. 3. In the month of Ramadan, believing Muslims are required to fast. It has been explained in Surah Al-Baqarah verse 193, which means you who believe fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, so that you may become pious. For in the month of Ramadan there is forgiveness of sins. It is also in this holy month that the gates of heaven have been opened, and the doors of hell have been closed. 5. Veil or media of penance in infidelity until the next month of Ramadan through the fardu prayer performed on Friday to the next Friday. 6. During the month of Ramadan, the reward of worship will be multiplied by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Ramadan usually lasts for 29 to 30 days, depending on the new month. The meaning of Ramadan itself is taken from the Arabic language, namely Ramad or Ramad, which means crossing head or dryness. Ramadan moments. Ramadan is a special month for everyone, not only Muslims who run in it, but also people of other religions. The moment of going home, breaking the fast, and sharing becomes a moment full of memories. Even though this year we are still running Ramadan during the pandemic, it does not mean we forget the fun. This Ramadan, with the spread of the coronavirus, is completely different from my Ramadan last year. Of course, in every disaster there will be blessing in it. This is the second time in my Ramadan that I actually live with my family. During the previous Ramadan, my father was busy work sometimes every time and just arrived home after the Tarawih prayer time was over. My sister was really at home when breaking her fast because she was busy breaking her fast outside with friends or even from her place of work. My sister prefers to break her fast at the mosque. I myself would really leave the house closer to break the fast at home with my mother. But this year we spent every day together, so suhoor and iftar together every day, more often chanting and joking with family. Yes, you could say this is a rare moment for my family. My father worked as a laborer and my mother became a housewife. My sister works. I'm still in college myself. My sister is still in elementary school. But it's difficult to put together a schedule just to choose cat and eat with family, so this Ramadan is the most special Ramadan. Entering the month of Ramadan, all Muslims are required to fast for one full month leading up to the month of Shawwal when Eid al-Fitr is celebrated. Like last year, we are fasting in unusual situation. The pandemic makes a number of things that are commonly done during fasting cannot be done every year. This year, the situation is somewhat different, although we have not all come out of the pandemic situation due to COVID-19. A number of changes in the form of aging of rules were made. Of course, the condition remained the same, namely the application of health protocol discipline. For the feast Tarawih, for example, if last year was prohibited and abolished, this year Tarawih is possible, like in the Al-Ikhlas Mosque in my village, but with strict requirement. Congrats are asked to break their own clan prayer mats to prevent transmission. Masjid Al-Ikhlas does not install carpets, and at the time of prayer must be distanced. During Ramadan, there is no after together due to the COVID-19 situation. Al-Ikhlas Mosque is only used for the 5 daily prayer and Tarawih. After to after 8, the mosque will be obtained to be experienced during Ramadan last year. Even with many rules, restrictions, and the application of discipline to health protocol, we can slowly run it again a number of exercises such as before the pandemic. At moment, after a full month of fasting in the month of Ramadan, 8 or 8 Fitri food must be the most awaited moment. There is also feeling of sadness when hearing takbir because the feel that their worship has not been maximized. It on this day Al-Muslim rejoice in celebrating the day of victory after a full month of fasting during Ramadan. Generally, the Lebaran holiday is filled with activities to stay in touch with neighbors, close friends, and of course extended family. Usually, Lebaran is synonymous with the moment of going home. I don't know who started the first homecoming activities, but this activity has become a must for some people, especially for migrants who live family that you haven't seen for a long time, will spending vacation time in your hometown in definitely special moment for traveling. However, only 8 Fitri this year, not all Muslim in Indonesia can celebration Eid Fitri or Eid with their family. Many of them are not going home for a number of reasons, including the COVID-19 pandemic. Since May 6, 17, 2021, the government has banned Lebaran homecoming in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in the midst of this ongoing pandemic. Many agreed not to go home because it was to avoid increasing cases of coronavirus transmission, but not a few are desperate to go home because they long to meet their family on Lebaran Day. Muslims in the world, including Indonesia this year, experienced a different atmosphere in celebrate Eid Fitri. The COVID-19 pandemic has not changed the meaning of Eid of a year. Some traditions have changed along with pressing the spread of the new coronavirus had caused its pandemic on every of the 8 stations in my place. There are several new things that are happening right now, including prohibition on returning to one's home area. It place can be done in Moscow as long as they obey health protocols. The habit of having forget in shaking and hands gathering is done with online if relation and most complete with health protocols. So that's the description of Fitri this year at my place. Although the COVID-19 pandemic has not changed the meaning of it, some traditions have changed along with prevent the spread of the new coronavirus. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.